For businesses looking to make their customer interactions more efficient, productive, and consistent, AI Agent Assist is designed to help. It gives your agents real-time support during every customer conversation, helping them find the right information faster, set the proper tone, improve first contact resolution, and wrap up calls faster, all to help deliver a better customer experience. AI Agent Assist is your agent's real-time co-pilot. It gives them context to personalize the interaction, listens to each live conversation so it can analyze customer sentiment, provide on-screen suggestions, and simplify after-call documentation, all to help your agents stay focused on helping customers. When a customer calls, AI Intent Routing lets them say what they need in their own words and gets them to the right place right away. No menus needed.
Thanks for calling Summer Jeans. How can I help you?
I want to return some jeans I bought online, but I'm not clear on the return policy or process.
As the call begins, agents can see why a customer is calling, and AI Agent Assist gives agents a quick overview of the customer's last interaction.
Hi, thanks for reaching out. My name's Brittany. Sounds like you're looking to return some jeans. I'd be happy to walk you through it.
To help agents start each call informed, confident, and ready to personalize the experience. As the call unfolds, AI Agent Assist tracks the conversation in real time, and it monitors sentiment to flag when the customer's tone changes. When the sentiment turns negative, the agent can see that right away and adjust their approach, showing empathy, clarifying information, or resolving the issue faster. If the agent needs to confirm a detail, like a product return policy or a service process, they can ask AI Assistant right inside the call window.
Looks like you bought these jeans over a month ago, but if you upgrade to our VIP membership, that shouldn't be a problem.
Sounds interesting. What do I get with it?
It automatically detects the question, searches company knowledge, and provides a clear, accurate answer instantly.
Our VIP membership is $59 a year, and it comes with some great perks. Discounts, special sales, and a 1-year return window on all jeans, whether they've been worn or not.
Great. I'm definitely interested.
If needed, agents can see a live searchable transcription, so the agent never misses a key detail. And while the agent is helping the customer, here's what their supervisor sees. AI Supervisor Assist provides real-time sentiment, mid-call summaries with topic tagging, and live transcription, giving supervisors visibility into every active conversation. They can step in to coach or assist over the phone or via chat, ensuring every customer interaction meets the standard of service your business wants to deliver.
Great job. Don't forget to tell them about our upcoming sale.
Once the call ends, agents get a detailed call recap, summarizing the conversation and identifying the next steps or follow-ups. This eliminates manual note-taking and ensures that every customer interaction is accurately documented, saving agents valuable time and making post-call wrap-up effortless and getting to the next interaction quicker. AI Agent Assist helps you deliver great customer experiences at scale. By giving every agent the knowledge and support of your best agent, it increases bandwidth and reduces the need for additional hires, and all for as little as $30 per month per agent. Such a small investment in AI can translate into significant ROI. And here's why. AI Agent Assist can save between 4 to 10 minutes per call by reducing time spent finding information and documenting notes. Even at just 4 minutes saved per call, if an agent handles around 40 calls a day, that's 160 minutes saved daily per agent. Now multiply that by 20 agents, and you're saving 53 hours every day across your team. That adds up fast. 267 hours a week, or 12,800 hours a year. That's like gaining the productivity of 6 to 7 agents without hiring anyone new. And it only costs about $600 a month to equip 20 agents with AI Agent Assist. When you factor in the fully loaded cost of an agent, around $56,000 a year, including salary, taxes, and benefits, those 6.2 full-time equivalents represent about $345,000 in annual value. That's a $7,200 annual investment, delivering roughly $338,000 in savings. And with our upcoming AI agents, you'll be able to automate repetitive requests and offload activities to create even more opportunities to save money and increase efficiency. With intelligent communications, your agents become more capable, your customers happier, and your business more efficient, one conversation at a time.